your nutrition is dialed in, and you take recovery seriously.
But there are still days when your thinking just does not show up.
You sit down to do the work that matters. An hour passes. You are still not in it.
That gap between what your biology says is possible and what your mind actually delivers, that is real. That is not a willpower problem. Here is what is happening. Deep strategic thinking, creative decisions, your highest quality output, all of it requires a very specific environment inside your prefrontal cortex. Alpha and beta waves working in a coordinated state, but constant task switching, notifications, and background stress push your brain into high beta overdrive and keep it locked there. Your prefrontal cortex, responsible for focus, judgment, and your best thinking, cannot do its job in that state. A brain running fragmented is not building the same cognitive resilience over time. When did you last sit down and your mind was just present? Without having to fight for it, that state is not out of reach. The ANF Care Focus and Clarity uses one small wearable amplifier placed directly on the temple, right alongside your prefrontal cortex. It carries an alpha wave frequency program running between 8 and 12 Hz. Research suggests alpha waves act as a filter, quieting background noise so your focused thinking can run more cleanly on top of it. This amplifier is not pushing your brain somewhere unfamiliar. It is designed to support the neurological conditions your brain already knows how to use. In the first 2 weeks, deep work feels more accessible. By weeks 3 to 6, the baseline quiets, and the mind arrives at work more ready. By month 3, clear, sustained thinking becomes closer to your natural operating state. We call this biocoherence, consistent, compounding support over time. Every day your brain runs fragmented is a day your best thinking did not arrive. But tomorrow is a new data point. ANF, Care, Focus and Clarity. Because your best thinking deserves the right conditions.